Losing weight isn't just about quick fixes or temporary diets. It's a journey, a process that requires consistency, patience, and the ability to stay committed even when things don't go perfectly. There will be days when you slip up, and that's okay. What truly matters is getting back on track and continuing forward. In this video, I'm going to show you powerful, practical tips that can make your weight loss journey easier and more sustainable. Make sure you watch until the end, because every tip plays an important role in your transformation. Avoid ultra-processed foods. Ultra-processed foods are often loaded with added sugars, unhealthy fats, sodium, and artificial ingredients. These foods are designed to be hyper-palatable, meaning they make you want to eat more than your body actually needs. Regular consumption can lead to overeating, weight gain, and even metabolic issues. Instead, focus on whole, natural foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and minimally processed proteins. These foods are more filling, nutrient-dense, and help your body function properly. 2. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber is one of your best allies when it comes to weight loss. It slows digestion, helps control blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full for longer periods. Foods rich in fiber include oats, beans, lentils, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. By increasing your fiber intake, you naturally reduce hunger and avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. 3. Prioritize lean proteins. Protein plays a crucial role in building and maintaining muscle mass, especially when you're in a calorie deficit. Lean protein sources like chicken breast, fish, eggs, Greek yogurt, and legumes help increase satiety and reduce cravings. Additionally, your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to fats and carbohydrates, a process known as the thermic effect of food. 4. Avoid liquid calories. One of the most overlooked mistakes in weight loss is consuming calories through drinks. Sugary beverages like soda, juices, sweetened coffee, and even some healthy smoothies can add hundreds of calories without making you feel full. Stick to water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea whenever possible. This simple change alone can significantly reduce your daily calorie intake. 5. Eat slowly and mindfully. In today's fast-paced world, many people eat quickly and without paying attention. This can lead to overeating because your brain doesn't have enough time to register fullness. Eating slowly allows your body to signal when you're satisfied, preventing excess calorie consumption. Try to focus on your meals, chew thoroughly, and avoid distractions like your phone or TV while eating. 6. Plan and organize your meals. Lack of planning often leads to poor food choices. When you're hungry and unprepared, you're more likely to reach for convenient, unhealthy options. By planning your meals ahead of time, you ensure that you always have nutritious choices available. Meal prepping can save time, reduce stress, and keep you consistent with your goals.
If you want to accelerate your weight loss even more, there is nothing better than using a good support supplement. And with Citrus Burn, you can achieve excellent results in much less time. Citrus Burn is a 100% natural supplement designed to work in harmony with your body. It combines 7 rare herbs and other powerful ingredients that together provide several benefits, such as increased calorie burning, improved feeling of fullness, body detox support, and much more. If this caught your attention, the links will be available in the video description and also in the first pinned comment. Start maximizing your weight loss today.
Stay properly hydrated. Water is essential for every function in your body, including metabolism and fat burning. Sometimes thirst is mistaken for hunger, leading you to eat when your body actually needs hydration. Drinking water before meals can also help reduce appetite and improve portion control. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. 8. Start your meals with salad. Starting your meals with a salad is a simple but powerful strategy. Vegetables are low in calories but high in volume and nutrients. Eating them first helps fill your stomach, reducing the amount of high-calorie foods you consume afterward. This habit naturally lowers your total calorie intake without making you feel deprived. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can sabotage your weight loss efforts. When you're stressed, your body releases cortisol, a hormone that can increase appetite and promote fat storage, especially around the abdominal area. Stress can also lead to emotional eating and poor food choices. Incorporate stress management techniques like walking, meditation, deep breathing, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. 10. Get quality sleep. Sleep is often underestimated, but it plays a major role in weight management. Lack of sleep disrupts hormones that control hunger, ghrelin and leptin, making you feel hungrier and less satisfied. It also reduces your energy levels, making it harder to stay active and make healthy choices. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support your body and your goals. As you can see, weight loss isn't about extreme diets or shortcuts. It's about building consistent, sustainable habits. If you start applying even a few of these tips today, you'll already be ahead of most people. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tips are you going to start using first? If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next videos that can completely transform your health and your life. Your journey starts now. Stay consistent, stay focused, and results will come.